Backing up your WordPress website is essential to avoid data loss. Here's a simple guide to backing up your site. Use a backup plugin. The easiest way to back up your WordPress site is through a plugin. Popular backup plugins include Object Plus, Backup Buddy, and Jetpack. Install a plugin. Go to Plugins, Add New. Search for your desired backup plugin. Install and activate the plugin. Configure the backup plugin. Go to the plugin settings. Set up the backup frequency and destination. Back up your website. Click on the Backup Now button to create an immediate backup of your website. Manually backup WordPress website. If you prefer a manual backup, backup files. Use an FTP client to download all files from your website. Backup database. Access your PHPMyAdmin via cPanel. Select your database and click Export to download the copy. Store your backups safely. Store backups in a secure location, such as cloud storage or an external hard drive for easy recovery.